Hey, this is Reuven Lerner, and welcome back to my Python Standard Library video explainer series. This time we're going to talk about how we can remove things from a dictionary. So if I say D equals A1, B2, C3, how can I get one of these key value pairs out of the dictionary? How can I remove it? Well, I should say it's not very common that I want to remove things from a dictionary. Most of the time, I actually want to add or update. But there are times when you want to remove things. So how can I do that? There are actually two basic ways to do that. One is to say dict.pop of A. And this means remove the key value pair that's associated, or remove the key value pair that's associated with a key A. So if I say dict.pop of A, I get 1 back, meaning the value associated with A was 1. And now if I look at D, there is no key anymore. So if I say, A in D, it's going to say no A, not there anymore. So if I say B in D, well, that is there. And then I say D.pop of B, that was associated with 2. And now B in D, nope, not anymore. And I can say D.pop of C, well, we know that it's in there. And then if I look at D, it's empty. Len of D, of course, is 0. If I say D.pop of, well, there's nothing left to do. So if I say now like Q, it's going to say, hey, that key does not exist. Because, of course, no key exists. This is probably the most common way to remove key value pairs from a dictionary. There's another way that I see people do. I'm not such a big fan of it, but I'll show it to you anyway. A1, B2, C3. I can also use del. If I say del of D of A. So del really removes a name from the system. So if I look at D of that, you'll see that it has removed it. Now I can do that. It will work. I'm not a big fan of it. I much prefer to use the method, also because when I use pop, I get the value back, and with del, I don't get anything back. It just returns none. Actually, I'm not even sure if it returns anything. I say x equals that. Yeah, you can't even do that, because del is actually an operator in Python. It's not a function, so you can't use it in this way. All right, so if you find yourself wanting to remove things from a dictionary, pop is really the best way to go, although del is good if you want to show off to friends, if you have friends who will be impressed by that. All right, so I hope this helps. Next time, we're going to look at a few other oddball ways to remove things from dictionaries or clear them out. All right, thanks for watching my video explainer series, and I'll be back with more videos very soon.